Good evening, ladies, gentlemen. Oh man, if I did a video like that, y'all hate me.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna do one, and then I'll do one, and we'll see who likes which one we like better.
Y'all heard that? She ain't want to do no video at first.
I don't.
This is how you get in. Get your key. We at 2039. This is actually our last day. Sad, really. Kind of sad. So here it is. A beautiful honeymoon suite at
Where are we? Secrets the Vine.
Secrets the Vine. Honeymoon suite, ocean view. As you can see from the foyer, we have a long hallway. There's a lot of storage here. This is where they pick up your trash.
Trash?
Yeah, whenever you have food. You put the tray here and they pick it up here. Or you just put your stuff there like I do. Then you have closets. See, look at all the space here. I'm the type of person, I take all my clothes out and I hang it like way at home. Another closet here. Has drawers there. Drawers. I don't like when I say drawers. Painting.
Joseph,
The art
you
is nice.
said you
The
were
art
not
is
going to
real
do this
nice.
very long.
Then you have the bathroom area.
Yeah.
So you have to imagine there's a door here. Now you're in the bathroom. 2 sinks here. The bigger side always goes to the woman. The man gets to a little bit. Then you have the toilet. Now this right here. Back up so you can see the whole thing. Back up. Don't you hate the person that be there doing the directing and the back up? Get the shot of this. Let me tell you. Look at this. This is a double waterfall shower. So we have 2 waterfalls here. Y'all see that? You come from the beach, it's time to take a shower. You don't have to take time.
Okay.
You take the shower and get freaky. All right.
Okay.
Another hallway.
Yeah.
And then this is little. As you can see, we have a big king size bed. Curtains on the wall.
Mm-hmm.
More storage. Bam. That's where you have all your ice maker and all this stuff and coffee. We don't drink coffee. Safe. Then you have more storage here. And then that's where the mini bar is. Mini bar has mini bar stuff.
Mm-hmm.
No liquor, just beer. You have an actual couch here, a table. Ours came with the champagne, which we haven't drank yet, but we will tonight. You have this nice chair that has a name that I don't know what you call it.
Chase Lounge.
Chase, because I would have said something like Armoire or something, which is not right. You have a donut.
My little donut. Yep. And how about
And you
this?
have the tub here. Beautiful tub. It's big enough for us to fit in.
We get it.
You get it? Okay.
Yep. Gotcha.
I want to go sit down.
I know.
What y'all want to see is ocean view. Is it really an ocean view? Actually, something's missing. There's no TV. Oh, wait, hold up.
Yeah, you're missing the TV.
Hold up. You got this little key here. Look like it's gonna unlock your car. Boom. Boom. TV comes up. Back to the Future plan. Because the TV has Netflix, Apple Play, not Apple CarPlay, but you can your Apple phone and all that stuff and Android can come to the TV. And then here's the best part. The views. So you have outside. Here's the balcony. You see the beach on the left. And then you have the bay on the right. and it's like you keep going all the way around. To your entrance. On the bathroom. Come back. Let's see this. Look. This way.
I'm following you. Back to the tub, huh?
That's it.